मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ जंतर मंतर के ऊपर। जॉइंट लेफ्ट पार्टियों का प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है हाथरस में जो हादसा हुआ है उसके खिलाफ। और मेरे साथ हैं सीपीआई के वरिष्ठ नेता विनय विश्वम, जो राज्यसभा के मेंबर भी हैं। थैंक यू सर फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। सर, व्हाट इज दिस प्रोटेस्ट अबाउट? इट इज अबाउट हाथरस, as I can see. So what is the message you are trying to give over here?
The message to the nation and to the government is very clear. The people are not ready to live as they wish us to live. The government wants the people to be on their knees. We will never be on our knee. The people to uphold their dignity, their right to life, their right to a decent life in this India. They are determined to wage a battle, a united battle. In that battle, the left, the red flag, will be in the forefront. That's why all the red parties, since long, are trying to mobilize the masses and tell the people that at the moment and in the future too, we have no other option but to fight. Hathras should not be allowed to continue and repeat. That's what we demand. That's why the CBI inquiry should not be under the guidance of the Yogi Modi combine. As the court itself proposed, it should be a genuine investigation. To most
Now, one allegation that we see on the national media and that the central government is making is that just like Delhi Royce, Hathras also had a foreign hand in it, ISI in it, and Royds were going to, be instigated there. How true is that?
It's a fascist way of propaganda. Fascism thrives only on lies. Only on lies. They cannot be friendly to truth. Truth and fascists, truth and the oppressors, they can never go together. That's why, to hide their oppressive and anti-people measures, they always rely on the lies. And this kind of lies they propagate and they continue to propagate. And the people will tell them the truth. The truth is that the people have no employment, no conditions of life, no wages for them, and the women are tortured. Dalits are being killed. Adivasis are taken away from their land, and the minorities, they are treated as third citizens of India. And this shows that the people are knowing the fact from their lives, and that life is the basic truth, and that truth will be victorious, not their lies.
The way the bills are being pushed in the parliament, like the farmers bill, for example, which was recently just bulldozed, how does the left and the other opposition parties, how do you plan to tackle this?
No, this struggle has to continue both outside the parliament and inside the parliament. They are trying to make the parliament as a tool or a toy in their hands. They have no regard for the norms of the parliament, no regard for the rights of the parliament. They don't believe in debates and discussions of the parliament. So they are trying to make the parliament only a stooge for them. But I can tell you, the left, along with the other opposition parties, will continue to wage a very militant and purposeful battle inside the parliament. Though the numbers are limited of the left, I can proudly say, in every issues, may it be the farmers' bills, may it be the workers' bills, whatever it is, on all such issues, the left MPs were in the forefront of the struggle, and we know it is our class duty, our political duty, and we will continue to do that.
Thanks a lot. So this was Comrade Vinay Vishwam. Thank you, sir, for speaking to us.